America sends package of Mi-17 helicopter made in Russia to Ukraine. Russia's ambassador to the United States, U.S., Anatoly Antonov accused Washington of violating international obligations and its own policies with its latest military aid package to Ukraine. According to him, Washington did not get Russia's permission before diverting 4 Mi-17 helicopters from their original destination of Afghanistan to Ukraine. The diplomat was responding to an announcement last week by the U.S. Department of Defense that the plane was scheduled to be handed over to Ukraine. The 4 Mi-17 helicopters are thought to be planes purchased by the U.S. for the Afghan National Army before the U.S.-backed government in Kabul fell to Taliban forces in August last year. Ukraine is handling the plane and should have sent it to Afghanistan. The transfer of the helicopter was carried out in violation of the end-user certificate, which requires written approval from Russia, the Russian ambassador said. He called it a blatant violation of the United States' obligations as a buyer and claimed Washington was blocking Russia's demands for an explanation. Antonov said Russia was also concerned about other weapons in the package. The supply of shoulder-fired Stinger anti-aircraft missiles is in contravention of international agreements on mitigating the risks posed by diverting such weapons into the hands of bad actors, he said. He cited the 2007 UN General Assembly resolution on this issue and other documents.